Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gyani Coder and in this series of videos, I am solving Hakerrank Python challenges. So, today's challenge is print function. Here, we will be given an integer n and we have to print 1 to n. For example, if n is 5, we have to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If n is 3, we have to print 1, 2 and 3. So, let's try to solve this challenge in the Jupyter Notebook. We have an end parameter in the print method, so let's see that parameter. So by just typing help, you can see any documentation of Python by just writing help and passing the method name here print. Okay, so in print method we have value separator that we will talk about in another video, and here we have to use and. So the default value of n is \n, so means new line. Okay, so let's try to understand this. Means for I in range 5, okay, we have to print I. Here I am not writing an end parameter, so it will take as a default value, so it prints on a new line every time. Now let's do this. If n is equals to, so after every I, that prints a hyphen. Okay, so let's remove the hyphen and then again run. So 0 1 2 3 4, and that's how we want our output, but we doesn't want 0 in that. So from 1 to 5 we have to print. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, and I want the 5 in the answer, so 5 plus 1, so 1 2 3 4 5. So let's do this in the Hakerrank compiler. Okay, so here I will read an input n from the user. So for I in range, we doesn't want 0, so from 1 to n plus 1, because I want n to be printed. So print I comma n equals to nothing but an empty string. Okay, so let's run our code. Here the sample test case you successfully run, and let's submit our code. Here the three cases 0, 1 and 2 are successfully run. If you like this video, then don't forget to click like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon to receive our latest video updates. And if you want to see our source code, the link is in the description box below. Thank you.